5-day Yaosang Sports Festival kicks off across the state with gaiety. People throng at historic Kangla to fetch the sacred fire. And with 4 fresh confirmed cases of COVID-19, total number of infected people rise to 43 in India. Hello and welcome to Impact News. We wish our viewers a very happy and colorful Yaosang. You're watching After the News. I'm Lighting Monica with the latest news updates. People throng at the historic Kangla to fetch the sacred fire to kick off sports events in relation with Yaosang at different localities across the state today. Members and representatives of clubs and various organizations, irrespective of age and gender, took part in the torch rallies. As people from different directions came towards Kangla, there were traffic jams at important traffic points of the city. However, traffic police personnel and relevant security guards carried out their duty well, and there were efficient movement of traffic. People from various localities also came to fetch fire from the shrine of Ibudhau Bakhangba Furuk Saubi at Uchekon Takok Mapal today. Especially members and representatives of clubs and various organizations from Thongju, Kongba, Kakwa, Khongman and others came to the sacred fire to mark the opening of sports events in relation to Yaosang at their respective localities. Leaders of respective localities announced opening of sports events at their respective localities. People expressed happiness that Yaosang has now become a sports movement participated by people from every age group and irrespective of gender. Such sports items also aim to guide youth to the right path by introducing them to various sports items and teach them discipline as well.
Sports is a good Tauriba Kolibasi, sports in a Hoyakshamanunda Maruna Taurisi, Yaksangsida, Angang Nubiang, Sien Song, the Satan Gari, Shokada, Kokadava, Mayamdu, Pazalaga, as a discipline Hibam Sulere sports, Mayama, Tawadi, Lakagi, Puliba Koliba Mayam, sports, Aquimasi, Amaganagi, Unadrasu, sports, Aquipule Aduga, Aqui Evenzi, Aqui Isness Games Haitara, Aqui Tainagi, Lapuka Biauri, Adagi Chang Chajan, the Nava Haragana, Aqui Lamjan, Mayam Yauri, Adagi, long jump, high jump, high Maruiba, Tainagi Mayama, High Tara, Aduma Mayama, we have Salaga, say, couldn't get them Paksuk.
Sidagi, Kunanga Chuba, Yaosang Sport, Lamdabung Social Welfare Club, how do I?
Sagolban Tera Kaithel Ideal Club held its 74th Foundation Day at its campus in Tera Market today. Annual sports festival of the club was also kicked off on the occasion. President of NEIDP Central Committee S. Kunjakishore, President of Sagolban Tera Kaithel Ideal Club R.K. Tombi Sana, Corporator of IMC Ward number 7 R.K. Jiten and many people attended the event. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan extended greetings to the people of the state on the happy and auspicious occasion of Yaosang, the Festival of Colors. In his message, he further wished for the festival to bring peace, communal harmony in the state. Yearning for New Life under the aegis of J. Gokul Chandra Ki Jai organized Blossoming Kids Drawing Summit for students at Bamon Mayum Mandap in Kaisam Thong Top Lairak today. More than 50 students from class 1 to 8 competed in 5 categories during the summit. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you updates on coronavirus. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Afternoon News. 4 fresh confirmed cases of coronavirus has been found in the country, taking the total number to 42. Briefing media in New Delhi today, Special Secretary, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Sanjeeva Kumar said that these 3 cases has been reported from Delhi, Jammu and Uttar Pradesh. Training program on bamboo processing machine operation and maintenance for the bamboo artisan, which started on February 20, concluded today. Can and Bamboo Technology Center, Burnihat, Assam, and National Bamboo Mission, Manipur State, jointly organized the program under the sponsorship of Northeastern Council at Common Facility Center Hall in Sawongbung, Imphal East. Speaking at the valedictory event, State Mission Director of National Bamboo Mission, Manipur State, H. Brazamani, said that though bamboo are abundantly available in the state, they are not utilized properly. Mentioning that various products can be produced from bamboos, he lamented that bamboos cannot be utilized properly as it is not economically feasible. H. Brazamani further highlighted the plights facing during establishment of bamboo industry in the state. He asserted that setting up of small-scale industries will aid in utilizing unused bamboos. Stating that there are numerous well-skilled bamboo craftsmen in the state, he opines the need to provide machines to enhance their productivity as well as to enhance the economic condition of the state. Chief Conservator of Forest Department L. Lukhoi, Division Forest Officer R.K. Amarjit, and Design Consultant of Bamboo Forum India Sukumar Haubam attended the program. Certificates were also distributed to the trainees from various districts who attended the training program during the event.
Manipur da wa marang kaina howi aduga akhoi gi leru pothok singja utilize to bungamde kaide sin na bayai paper mill da sin na bayai plywood da sin na bayai aduga high riba pot singji torakanda economically feasible oidaba Manipur da khudamoi haribda akhoi gi India gi mafam amada lupa lakh ama changbo tha Manipur da lakh ni change ba even Guwahati bhawta lakh ama na yaba thabak se Imphal he gar mutum da lakh ni change ba adodi economically feasible oidre na sawai gi matam sida ayama projection ja yada na koi sanction ngam dan tok ngak tane ba aduna major projection ji thado kharga small scale akoi cottage industry gi type ta pakhat laga di Manipur gi bamboo se hojik akoi na sin na ngam dan le ba se masi tangkhai phaw bu sin na ngam ni haibe je akoi mayam gi thajja ba ne ba NBM Manipur gi
Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Manipur Pradesh organized the 10th death anniversary of L. Raghumani at BJP Manipur State Office in Kanchipur today. Speaking at the event, President of BJP Manipur Pradesh cum Rajya Sabha MP K. Vavananda eulogized L. Raghumani. Weaver Cell convener of BJP Manipur Pradesh L. Sarojini and party workers attended the event. Chennai FC will play against ATK in the final match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-20 at Goa's Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium at 7:30 p.m. on March 14. In yesterday's league match played at Kolkata's Salt Lake Stadium, ATK defeated Bengaluru 3-1 and entered the finals. For the winners, Roy Krishna scored 1 goal at the 30th minute, while David Williams scored 2 goals at 63rd and 79th minute, and the lone losing goal was scored by Ashik at 5th minute of the match. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Yaosung Sports Festival kicks off across the state with gaiety. People throng at historic Kangla to fetch the sacred fire. And with 4 fresh confirmed cases of COVID-19, total number of infected people rise to 43 in India.